A winter visit. Emily stepped off the bus and pulled her scarf tighter around her neck. The small town where she had grown up looked almost the same as she remembered, only quieter. A thin layer of snow covered the roofs, and warm lights glowed softly from the windows. It was her first winter visit in 3 years, and she wasn't sure how she felt about being back. She walked slowly along the familiar street. The bakery still smelled of fresh bread, and the old bookshop had the same hand-painted sign. Children were building a snowman near the square, laughing loudly as they tried to balance a crooked hat on its head. The scene made Emily smile, despite the cold biting at her cheeks. Her parents' house stood at the end of the road, decorated with a simple wreath and a string of small white lights. Nothing too festive, just enough to feel welcoming. Emily hesitated at the gate. Coming home always brought mixed emotions. She loved her family, but life in London had changed her. She wasn't the same girl who left. Before she could knock, the door opened. Her mum stood there, wrapped in a wool cardigan, her face bright with surprise. "Emily, you should have called. I'd have put the kettle on," she said, pulling her into a warm hug. Inside, the house smelled of cinnamon and pine. A small tree stood in the corner, decorated with old ornaments Emily remembered from childhood. It wasn't fancy, but it felt honest, familiar. As they sat by the fireplace, sipping hot tea, Emily felt something soften inside her. Maybe she didn't need a perfect Christmas. Maybe all she needed was a quiet winter evening, a bit of warmth, and the people who knew her best. For the first time in weeks, she felt at peace.
Thank you for listening. If you liked the story, subscribe for more. And follow us on Instagram.